Hello guys, gagawa tayo ng rice wine. So ang kailangan natin is yung malagkit, this is glutinous rice, and we need the yeast. So in 2 kilos of glutinous rice, we need 2 bowls of the yeast, and then we have to cook the glutinous rice. There, I have the cooked one already. And then we let it cold and we mask the yeast. Then we have to mix it up and we have to wait for 3 days. We have to wait for 3 days. Guys, isasangin na natin yung malagkit natin sa mas malaking lagayan para i-mix natin maliit. Kailangan mag-antay tayo ng 3 araw para magkaroon siya ng wine or sabaw. Ayan yung kanin natin. So, now we have to crush the yeast before we mix it. Kailangan natin durugin siya para hindi siya buo-buo. Ayan. So, ayan na po, nadurog na natin yung yeast natin. Ang gagawin na susunod ay i-mix natin dito sa kanin. Tapos, i-transfer natin dito sa bote, transparent bottle. So, we can see it that when after 3 days, the juice will come out from the wine. Okay, we have to spread it. And mix it well. That's why I use the gloves, so I can mix it very well. At saka maglagay po tayo ng kunti doon sa gagamitin natin na bottle, sa bottom part of the bottle. So it would be better. Now we have to spread it all. We have to use it up, the yeast. This is very nice one. It's a natural wine made of rice. Okay, just put it in. You have to mix it very well so that it will be even. Make sure po na bago ka mag-mix, kailangan malamig yung kanin. Okay na po. So, magtira lang po tayo ng konti dito para ilalagay natin sa ibabaw. So, ngayon, transfer na po natin dito. Yan po natin ilagay dito para masin ng very tight. Para walang hangin na makapasok. Kailangan ng glass na panglagyan. Hindi po pwede yung plastic. So, ayan na po. I-spread na natin. Yung sa ibabaw. Yes. So, this is the one. So, antayin pa natin ng 3 days. Tapos, makikita natin lumalabas yung sabaw. Yun na yung ang alat. So, ganun po ang gagawa ng rice wine. So, we have to wait for 3 days before we get the wine from it. And that would be nice. Really, I like it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the phone. See you after 3 days and show you the wine. Thank you. Guys, we have to see it properly. So, evaporate and easily the wine easily come out. So we have to cover it very tight. Okay, then we have to seal it. We have to cover it really tight, very tight, the cover. Okay, so when the wines come out, you can see it from here. And if the longer we to wait, the more wine to come out, maybe until here, the water will until here.